Hi guys, and welcome to day 9 of take 5. Let's go ahead and get started. 3, 2, 1. All right, now we're gonna get down to that plank position, okay? Core is nice and tight, shoulders are on top of wrist, and I want you just to kind of feel your stomach reach up and away from the ground. We're gonna come all the way down to the ground. You're gonna give me a release push-up, so hands up, feet up, so engage the back part of the core. Hands down, nose down, press up. Use your knees if needed. Lower, lift, tap, press. Good. Lower, lift, tap, press. Keep going. Lower, lift, tap, press. Nice. Lower, lift, tap, press. Now come all the way down. Hold it. Good. And then I just want you to reach those arms back, and you're going to come up and down. So you're going to feel the muscles in your back. Wake up. Remember, you always want a tiny stretch in before you get started, but I don't want to take any of your time from that 5 minutes to do that. So that's your job to get warmed up right before we get started, okay? I have a ton of little stretch videos, quick yoga classes on here, so check those out. You're up for 5, 4, 3, nice work. 2, one more time, up and hold. 3, 2, 1, come down. Hands by your ribs, plank, 1, 2, 3. Good. Now we're gonna lay on our side, okay? Oblique exercises. I love this one. Hand goes flat, toes are out, arm is over your head. You take a big inhale and then you exhale, come all the way up. Option to make it easier, bend your knees or keep them straight. 8, 7, 6, 5, come on, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now up and hold. 4, 3. Remember, hold here if you need to. 2, lower down slow. Switch sides. So you can just flip over or turn with me. We set that bottom hand, line it up with your belly button, top hand overhead. We got halfway to go, guys. Come on. Up. Good. Up. Up. Yes. You got 8, 7, 6, 5. Remember, we hold in 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. 4, 3, 2. Slow release. Good. Now we're going to come right up into side plank, guys, okay? So we're about at that 2-minute marker, so stay with me. 1, 2, 3, up. Now what I want you to do is bring your bottom knee to chest. So right knee in, back, in, back. Good. 8, 7, control. 6, 5, 4, feel that left leg working. 2, oh, I forgot 3, 1, hold it. 3, hips up. 2, lower, switch, other side. Forearm comes down, all right? 90 seconds to go. 3, 2, get here, bottom knee, which would be left. 1, 2, 3, come on. 4, 5, 6, you got 4 more reps. Come on. 4, 3, 2, yes, 1. Hold it. Hold it now. Forearm plank. Meet me here. Good. Core is tight. Hold this. 3, 2, come back up to plank. Good. We go all the way down to the belly. We got a release push-up. Now we reach back. We extend up. We put our hands down. Plank. 4 more. So down, release, reach, up, press. 3 more. Down, release, reach, up, ground. Last 2. Down, release, reach, up, push. Good. Notice I'm not jerking or shaking, with control. Good. Press to plank. Hold it. 4, Good, 3. Come on, solid, 2. And 1, guys. Way to work today. 5 minutes done, day 9. Check it off. Way to go. Have an awesome rest of your day. Thank you for working out with me. Good job.